If you've been looking for an easy way to make money online doing simple tasks, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you an app that will pay you for doing simple tasks with either your mobile phone or your computer. The app is Toloka and it's a legit way of making money. As you can see, it says get paid to make an impact. Join Toloka and earn money from the comfort of your home or on the go, whenever and wherever you like. From my research, I see a lot of people do a review of how they have been legit making money from this app. I need to let you know this app is not going to make you a millionaire overnight. You collect a few dollars and cents here and there. And I also think that the availability of tasks here depends on your location. Okay, so let's go down here. The good thing about this app is that you can actually sign up with your computer, and you can also make money from this app using your mobile. So if you look at these are mobile apps. You can sign up with your mobile phone, whether you are using an iPhone or you're using an Android phone. You can download the app and take the task with your mobile phone and get paid. So you can actually get paid while on the go. From their website, it says about Toloka, there are a lot of things that computer can't do, but people are naturally good at them. Think about identifying objects in images, transcribing speech, or marking faces in videos. We have to train machines to do these things, and that's what the tasks in Toloka are used for. We need you to help advanced technologies you use every day. Basically, what we do on this platform is to help tech companies get information they feed their AI. Okay, so let's scroll down here. It says type of task you can do on this platform. From the look of things, there's so much you can do on this platform. It says compare images. You choose a picture that best fits the description. Outline images and videos. Classify images. Search result evaluation. Collect images and videos. Moderate images and videos. So these are simple tasks you can do on the go. Maybe while you have 30 minutes break, you have your coffee break, or you're just taking a work, you can always pick up your phone and do this task and earn yourself few dollars and cents doing all that. Here are the reasons you need to sign up. Let's scroll down fast. How does it work? First, you take a few minutes to sign up. It's totally free. You complete a quick training set to learn how to do a particular type of task. Pick the task you want to do on your computer or in the mobile app. Carefully read the instructions and complete the assignment. Withdraw your earnings from the Toloka account with one of our fast and secure method of payment. Refer your friend to Toloka and receive bonuses. What this means is that there are two different ways you can make money. Apart from doing the task, you can also get your friends to sign up on this app and or get paid anytime they earn money from this app. I'm going to show you how to get your referral link. So let's go down here. Here are various ways you can collect your payment. So you can collect your payment via PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and the rest of them. In case you don't have a PayPal account, I have a video that shows you step by step how to create a PayPal account for yourself, no matter where you are in the world. So if you look at this, here are two videos that will show you how to create a PayPal account. This is the first one. So here's yet another video that shows you step by step how to create a PayPal account for yourself so you can withdraw your money from the Toloka app without stress. Let's scroll down. Here are testimonials from people who have been using this app to make money for themselves, and you too can be part of it. So let's scroll down and I'll show you how to get the referral link, and then I'm going to show you step by step how to sign up on Toloka using my mobile phone. Come over here. This button says referral program. If you open it, it's going to take you to a page where you're going to get your referral link. Once you sign up, you get your referral link. You can make money referring friends. So it says how to invite friends and get rewarded. Invite friends to register as performers and get a reward that equals 5 to 20% of their earnings in Toloka. That's a lot. So what you need to do is to invite a friend, is to open the referral program. Now to access this program, you have to first sign up. So when you open it, it's going to show you your referral link that you can copy and send to your family and friends. When they sign up with the link, you get between 5 to 20% of their earnings on this platform. So I'm going to go on now and show you how to create an account on Toloka and start making money just doing simple tasks. To download Toloka app and start using it on your mobile, all you need is go over to your Play Store and type Toloka. You can see this is the app, and about 10 million people have downloaded this app already. All you need is just click on the install button and it's going to download and install your phone. The app has finished downloading and it's being installed. Once you get to this stage, you click on open and it's going to open for you to access the app on your phone. So it says active Tolokas make money in the first week, up to $150. They work every day for at least 1 hour. So just slide or read all of those things. More than 50 types of tasks from 1 to 15 minutes. Just go through all of these things so we can install the app. So it's processing and then it brings us to this place. And by the way, Toloka is owned by Yandex. Next step is to go on and supply your phone number. But then you click on create ID. Okay, and then you allow it to open. It's going to bring up this message like this. Click on continue, click on the number and say continue so you can use your phone number. Once this is done, a code will be sent to your phone number. Just copy the code, then come over here and put your name. Then you click on next. So click on accept and then we move on to the next step. So over here it says tell us about yourself. You just quickly want to talk about your name and your date of birth. Accept terms and condition of use and you click on continue. Over here you're meant to select your country, so go on and put your country and then you click on continue. In which language can you complete the task, which is English. If you speak more than one language you can add that one here, but I'm just going to go with English and then click on start earning money and then it's going to open. So it says type symbols shown in the image. This is actually to confirm that you are a human being, not a robot. Click here and then type the message as you see it here. Click on submit. Now everything is set. We are ready to start taking tasks. If you scroll down here, you are going to see a whole lot of tasks you can take. These are tasks you are meant to take and start making money. Here there are two categories of tasks here. The first one is all and the second one is favorite, and at the moment I don't have any favorite task here. You can see how much you get paid per task even before you engage on that. So start taking tasks and make money for yourself. If you are looking for more ways to make money, watch this video now. Click on it. Let's go.